Dongguan Haiyuan Water Treatment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sales, and service of water treatment plants. We have many years more experiences in water treatment industry with complete and professional teams, successfully installed many cases in the overseas markets, such as Australia, Kenya, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, Uganda, Congo, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and other countries and areas, and we still keep regular contacts with our old customers to give some possible help or suggestions on maintenance service. We have our own company brand with the professional certificates authorized by national institutions, and OEM and ODM orders are also welcome to us. We are not just providing products and designs. Our work starts from the practical situation of customers with objective and detailed analysis. We believe only the targeted cases can assure the right solutions. We also need to consider the convenience in later use and prepare the prognosis and other service work. Our professional technology assures the stable quality designs, and our satisfactory service assures the later convenience. Our business scope: seawater desalination plants. Drinking water treatment plants include the borehole water treatment plant, river water treatment plants, wastewater treatment plants, industry process water plants, deionized DI water plant, demineralized water treatment plant, or DM water plants. Our mission: to be your water treatment industry consultant, professional team, and excellent service. We are providing stable quality service on water treatment, which enable our customers to get ideal products and reasonable price.